Here's an incredibly quick tip about how you can use the LiDAR scanner on your iPhone or iPad to measure a person's height really easily. And if you find this tip useful, there's hundreds more iPad and iPhone quick tips on my channel, so make sure you subscribe down below. This really is simple. Go straight onto the Measure app that comes as standard with your iPhone or iPad and hold the camera at a person. You'll be directed to move closer or perhaps further away, and you need to make sure you've got the whole person in frame, from their feet right up the top of their head. Now, as long as you've got a device with a LiDAR scanner, so we're talking the iPhone 12 Pro series or the 2020 iPad Pros and beyond, you'll be able to get an accurate reading of that person's height very, very quickly, just like this. After getting the measurement, you can press the shutter button or the camera button in the bottom corner, and that will get a screenshot for you of the person on the screen with their height next to them. This also works on people who aren't freakishly tall like me, for example my glamorous assistant here. The readings are pretty accurate. I'm actually about 6'4", 6'5", so it's 1 or 2 centimeters off for me, but that's pretty good, and it's certainly helpful to get a quick estimation of someone's height. Not a bad little feature for an app that comes built into your device.